what's happening here. Only by $500 we can make more than 100 profit just per day, like this one. So check this video to the end and you'll see where this started and now it's going to end with how many. Like here is 100 we going in. So please subscribe to the channel and check the description links. There is a link there show that five best and top strategies used by the top best and the successful traders. So check the link, and also if you want Tinga robot, check the link of WhatsApp, the WhatsApp community, and also there is a number there. You can find me directly on WhatsApp, and you have to get your copy of Tinga codes like this one, and you have to enjoy a life of trading and profit. So if you are finding somewhere to recover your money, this is the right place. I will teach you and tell you anything on this step by step until you make profit like this one. 100% I guarantee you will get feedback, very positive feedback. Okay, like that one. So continue. Let's continue. I want to continue this until we reach $200. That's what I think and what I need. If we reach 200 or $150, then we go off. As you can see something like this one. Okay. Unlock your path for Forex successful. Are you ready to take your successful trading game to take next level? Something special for you. Discover gains. Okay. So if you click the link, I'm going to put them in the description there. As you click this link, you can see amazing things. It will direct you. Top 5 Forex strategies for successful traders you do not know. Why you should trade with order block indicator. Most successful traders use this. As you can see, you can read inside, copy and paste order from meta trader to inattractive broker like this. Okay, full automatic system for indices, DAX, whatever, like this, NASDAQ. Okay, this is the bull expert. Actually, you can see more details. Get Euro USD Forex signals. Telegram. The service client receive constant Forex signals through an exclusive Telegram group. Signal information, entry price, stop loss, profit, take profit, take profit, target, like this one. Okay, you can find something like this one inside here, and join now for seven days for free. Okay, and there you can get, if you don't want to buy, you don't want to buy a robot, you can get 7 days free. Free signals. Okay. Okay, something like that. If you want to get free signals like that, if you want to get some indicators, I can get started. We'll learn more on this. So let's go back to our robot and see what is going on. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, we're still in 100, and we go back to 48. Okay, but still the market is just going up and down. first link is going to be link of WhatsApp group, where you can get more updates on TINGA codes, TINGA robot, and other TINGAs and other robots I have. And if you're interested, you can get my number, WhatsApp number, and you contact me directly. Then I will show you more details and how to do on how to work on this. And also you can work and earn a certain amount of money like this, rather than going to platforms and invest your money like 500,000, then you will get only, let's say, 10 US dollar, and you don't know whether it can go or whatever. But when you use this Tinga code, you always know how to manage your capital. And the second link I'm going to put for you there is the 5 strategies used by successful traders worldwide. So, and there you can get more details like premium signals, the indicators, the best indicators you can use. So I'm going to put the link there where you can find some details like that one. So try to go in and learn about that, then select something which you can prefer to, then go in, and it will help you for your life, and it will still make money. What will make me happy, even if I don't see you, is when you are making money at your own and you're always thinking about this channel that help you to get some knowledge and some ideas or some paths of to make money online. So please do something like that. You want to show like this one, but try to go also in and try to do something like that. I know it will help you more, and you will enjoy the life as I enjoy this one. So my number, you have to check my number. My number starts with plus the code number of Tanzania, plus 255 695 37 51 25. Okay, plus 255 95 37. I've already written that. 51 25. That's my number on WhatsApp. You can check me on WhatsApp, or check in the description there, or check the link of the WhatsApp group, or check the link for where we get some more details and get rich quickly as you can. But if only you follow the step by step what have been said. So everything needs effort, and everything needs working hard on something, consistency. Okay, like that. So still watch this. We are about to reach 50. Yeah, we are about to reach 50. We are about to reach 50. So take action, take action, take action. Understand what I'm telling you. We are above, we are going to reach 150, and also we are going to reach 200. So take action today. It is your time to make more money. Many money. So take time. Think about this. Take action. Withdraw your money. Make your life better and better and better and better. Take action, my friend. Don't still just watch and go, watch and go, watch and go. How many videos will you watch, and which kind of video will help you? We are already inside 150. Okay, and then we are going out after this. Then I know we are going to 200, like that one. We are now 260. Eh? We are now like that one. When I reach 200, then I close the market and everything else. back at normal. Yeah, as you can see. So subscribe. Go to description, as in my description, as I told you. After subscribe, hit that bell and go to description. Take the number and check me, and so as you can get your Tinga robot or Tinga code and start your earning like this one, just easily, and take action like this one. Also, check in that description, you will get top 5 strategies which successful traders are using. You can get signals 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 for 7 days for free. So take action and do something which can make you 1 step ahead or 2 step ahead, 10 step ahead, and make your life better. Yeah, remember my target was 150 to 200. So the first target is already, so I'm waiting for the second target. But if I see the second target is not going very well, then I can close the market. But I want to wait for my second target, because I can see the market is going very nice. So let me wait for that. Then after some, yeah, so as you can see, we are already 170. 170, so 170, 170, 170, 170. This is TINGA code, please. Get your copy, understand, get the education. You are going to make this money. You're going to make this money. Take action. This is just an educational video. I'm helping you to know how people work on this, because many of these people are not showing you from the start. But I want to show you something like this, and so as you also can do something amazing like this one. Okay, so try to do something like this and you will see something ever 180. So 180, there's just a little amount remaining, then we go. So check this. Check this. Okay, the target is 200. The target is 200. My baby girl is just laughing on how we make money. He's just enjoying. We just enjoy. Yeah, daddy is making money. Okay, and also you watching this video, please, I'm telling you, take action. If you don't take action, nobody's going to take action for you, and still you will be waiting or watching everyday's videos, people, and you are not making money. So it is better you take action and you start your earnings today. Even if you can get only $5 per day, it is good than if you are not making any. Even if you can get $1, even if you can get 20. But remember this, you can start with a capital of $50 and you can make something amazing. So don't be afraid or to say, maybe you can see the capital is 500, so how can I go and start? Don't do that, something like that one. Okay. Okay. We are already reached the target, and now we are starting closing the market. Now start 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 closing the market. We have already reached our target. Now start closing the market. Okay. The target. Oh, the carrot.